Alright, supposing you already have your book topic and your book subtopic, I changed my topic here to make use of this one. So let's assume now my topic here is crafting your perfect LLC, and my subtopic is from concept to creation. You understand? So the first thing I want to do is my page layout is already on statement, and this is already on print layout. You can see it's already on print layout, and the page setup is statement 6 by 9. So for my book topic, crafting your perfect LLC, I come to this A icon at the top. I will change the text, change the style to title. That's the title of my book. So I'll change the style to title. Come back. I'm going to change the fonts to the default font, which is Time New Roman, which I'll be making use of. So I want to make it bold and also increase the size to 35. Alright, I think this is okay. And then for my subtopic, I also go to this A icon at the top. The text will be for subtitle below here, subtitle, and remember to always change your fonts back to Time New Roman. So for now, Time New Roman font is preferably to be used compared to any other one to avoid issues, which I will also explain for when we get to the process of publishing our book. So I want to increase this font a bit, okay, to 18. Alright, and then drop it a little bit below. So crafting your perfect LLC, the book topic and subtopic is ready. So just right below your book topic and subtopic, you can put your pen name. So let me just forge a pen name. Let me just use Dwayne Johnson. Okay, Dwayne Johnson is my pen name. Let me just use it that way. Then I can make it bold. So just feel free to decorate your book in a way that it's going to look presentable. So I'm changing the font back again here to Time New Roman. But know that this one there's no need of you using a style for this one. There's no need of you using heading, or just leave it at normal text. It's just your pen name. So with the paragraph, I put it in the middle. Come back to text, increase it to font. Let me use 16. Alright. So the next thing now is to input. Now this is page 2. The next thing now is that you want to input your copyright. So I'll go to one of the previous books I have already to use as an example. I paste it. Okay. The font is already there. Everything is already there. So on the norms, when you paste your copyright, this is how it's going to look like. Let me return it back to normal. Okay, so normal text. This is how it's going to look like once you paste your copyright there. Anything new that comes in. So I'm going to be changing it back to Time New Roman. Time New Roman. I place it at. You can place it this way. Okay, let's leave it this way, preferably this way, and then I bring the font back to 14. Yeah, I bring the font back to 14. So there's something you also need to take note of, and that is page breaks. Alright, you can see the content has been split into two. So some are on the first page and some are on the second page. So if you want to break page on your manuscript, just place your cursor here next to the content that you want to break to the next page, and then click on this plus sign. Once you click it, you can see page break there under horizontal line. So just click on page break. Automatically all this content will be moved down to the next page. So even though you are making an adjustment at the first page, it might not affect the next one down here. So next thing, I also want to change this name to Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson. Alright, so my copyright is there. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to input my table of content. So I'm going to be giving us prompt on how to get our table of content for our new books. Then I paste my table of content. Yeah, so you can see now that it is not well arranged. My table of content is not well arranged. So what am I going to do now? First of all, I want to break the page again. because the table of content and your copyright cannot be on the same page. So let me go back to print layout, and then I'm going to break page with the plus sign. Click on page break, automatically it goes to the next page. So I'm going to be showing us how to arrange our table of content so that it suits Amazon terms and condition.